A little bird sees ripe fruit on our tree and eats a tasty berry. The bird flies tall and a berry seed falls. The rains have come! Hurry, let's run! Clouds, rain, and sun. Our plant is born, a little one. Now a tree with branches long, crows and birds song. Crawling ants, spider webs, caterpillars with tiny legs. Rich green leaves, life aplenty. The tree has fruit, some big, some small. Let us pluck them, but do not fall. Crows perch, squirrels run, and see the monkeys having fun. Strong branches with pretty swings. Our beautiful trees has so many things. A little bird sees